Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can just straight up to the sun. Okay, so today we are in Pszczyna, and today is maybe a bit of vlog format, and here will be the attempt of beating the guitar record of the Guinness, the most players. So as you know, it's a great opportunity to do some photos. So I'm here with the M10 again. It's too dark. You can see me, but the background will be totally fucked up. Anyways, so there is a lot of people here today, and my hands are shaking as fuck because the setup is very heavy. But well, let's try to do this. There will be probably in park a ton of people with the guitars, so we'll be able to do some photos. As I mentioned before, it's a street photography for me. I don't care what you think. Now today the topic will be maybe more document the event rather than do like banger photos, as you would say, for the social media. But anyways, maybe we'll catch some fine stories with these photos. Maybe we can do something that is actually storytelling, you know. And so okay, let's go. I've set camera to 400 ISO because it's really bright, and I want to use faster shutter speeds of 1/1000 or 1/2000 of a second, and f11 on the end. I'm with the 35mm Voigtlander lens. Let's do some B-rolls, let's go through the park, and let's do some street shoots. Yeah. So lesson for you, that what I want you to take back from this video is just take a camera, go around, go to your nearest neighborhood and just take pictures. Just you should take pictures, because it's not like this. I'm not the greatest photographer, I know that, I'm pretty aware, but it's not like this. You are buying a camera which is a couple of $1,000 and it's like bam, and you are a good photographer. It's not happening overnight. Maybe you are insane talent, and it didn't happen to me. It's hard work. It's tens of thousands or maybe hundreds of thousands of photos done, but with sitting at home without going out and shooting photos, it doesn't matter. And if you are labeling yourself that, oh no, I'm a street photographer, and for example Pszczyna Park, which is closest to me, is not a street, I don't know if it's a good approach. To be honest, it's a bad attitude, I would say, because as I mentioned, great photos and great talents are not happening overnight. This is my mantra: go out and shoot. Just take a camera and go out and shoot. Okay, so I'm heading home. See ya.